The Trex RainEscape Soffit Light installs simply in the ceiling material of your choice and features the easy-to-use Trex lighting plug-and-play wiring setup. Start by marking the planned location of the lights, keeping in mind the location of the nearest outlet for the transformer. Run the wires to the dedicated locations using the plug-and-play wire and splitters. Once your wiring is installed, it's time to cut the openings for the lights. Use a jigsaw or the Trex Soffit Light hole saw to create a 4 5/8 inch round opening. Guide the wires through the hole, then connect the lights with the plug-and-play quick connect. Set the direction of the light and tighten with screws. Fold the orange springs up, push the light until fully set, and the springs will hold the light securely in place. Finally, spin the light so it shines on the desired area. The Trex RainEscape Soffit Light is available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck lighting design or install, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.